today. So I'm so excited because I found this new coloring book and I can't wait to get into it. And I'm proud to say that I was able to get some new colored pencils. So I am a fan of Crayola, but I've been hearing about these Prismacolor pencils. And if I can finally get these open, I'll show you exactly how they look. So let me tell you a little bit about this video. One of the things that I love about YouTube is being able to meet new creators. So I saw this video that had an open collab, and I just knew I had to find out more information. It's hosted by MbeanzColorwithMe, and the co-host is craftingwithpatandmore. I love this idea of finding a mandala and coloring it however you like, except for they give you a prompt. And for the month of March, the color is green. It's like we're trying to make spring come a little bit faster. So y'all know I'm on a journey just to be more artistic and more creative, but I also want to inspire you. If you have some colored pencils or some paper anywhere, get started on your own creative journey. You'll be happy that you did. Hey again. So I want to give a huge shout out to Don and Pat. I loved this idea. And as far as the Prismacolor, I will definitely be using those again. They have a great smooth finish. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again soon.